Salam to all. Let's start with the dollar against Turkish lira as we always do. Last week it was not below 18.03 and closed with the raise. This week its stochastic is very expensive, warning us to be careful, and it's going inside the Bollinger Bands, which is also another cautioning sign, so be careful. As long as it is above 18.18, it shall break 1826 and then head to 1907 and our famous first target 1964 range for new historical high levels. Then the question will be, will it rally towards our second target at 2697 or make the required correction? Let's watch out. Now euro against the dollar. Last week it made negative doji, which means its opening and closing levels were almost the same level with few pips decline. This week its stochastic still confirms decline and resistance seems to be at 1. When it trades below 0.99 it may try 0.9886, 0.9860. Here it may trigger the decline until 0.9670, 0.9640 range on its way to the last Fibonacci retracement at 0.9450 level. As for gold, last week it went up, then came down and closed with below the previous tightening area. This week its stochastic signals the decline. If it is below 1711, it may break 1698, 1685 range to head 1677, which will be tested for the third time. Here's a question. Will the buyers be enough to turn the direction for the third time? Time for cryptos. Let's start with Bitcoin. Previous week was closed at 20,657, but last week was opened at 19,986. Yeah, the gap. And this gap is this week's resistance. Last week also closed with the negative doji, which is its opening and closing levels were almost the same level with few pips decline. Does this mean it'll continue going down? This week its stochastic heads up for further decline. As long as it is below 19,400, it shall break 18,500, 18,000 range to visit the buyers between the last Fibonacci retracement at 15,000 and 13,750 levels. Here's the question to be answered. Will it be enough to turn or it needs to decline furthermore? We'll see it inshallah. At last, Ether. Last week we were expecting it to check the buyers at 1,484, 1,483 tight range for a spike to follow this, and last week's low was at 1,421, then it went up. This week its stochastic warns us, so watch out. If it is below 1,592, 1,560 range, it shall break 1,425 to try 1,357, 1,332 tight range to answer this question. Is it enough or it needs to check as for how many buyers are left at 997.65, the low at the last week of June this year? We will all find that out. Thanks for watching. Please share your comments and let's watch the premiere on Sunday at midnight all together. Please also don't forget to subscribe, like and set a reminder. Bye.